out party here. Freshmen come out here at the Raider Madness and win both three-point and dunk contests, huh?
Yeah. Feels good to win both of them. Dunk contest, I entered myself today. I didn't know what I was going to do. I just came out and did something for my senior point guard, and he helped me out a lot.
How about, people I think around this area know your name from the grade school stuff already. You've done some bits out there. How nice is it to be up here, your freshman on varsity, hopefully turn this into some big things here?
It's really great. It's a great thing to have, great thing to do. I'm just trying to make myself better, playing against a better competition, people that are better than me, older than me. Really, I just want to be better so I can go play college ball Division I.